Hey there, today I'm going to guide you through what to do with Aadhaar, PAN, voter ID and other official documents after the unfortunate death of a family member. First up, the Aadhaar Card, and there's currently no process to deactivate or cancel an Aadhaar card. Since the UIDAI isn't linked with death registries, there's no automatic update. To prevent misuse, you can lock the deceased's Aadhaar biometrics. Head to the UIDAI website and submit the death certificate and other supporting documents. Next, PAN card. You should retain the deceased's PAN until all financial matters are settled, like bank accounts, demat accounts and ITR filings. The Income Tax Department can reopen assessments up to 4 years. Once everything's settled, you can surrender the PAN by writing to the assessing officer with the required details and death certificate. Remember, it's not mandatory to surrender it, but notifying the Income Tax Department is a good idea. Moving on to the voter ID. You can cancel it under the Registration of Electors Rules 1960. Visit your local election office and submit Form 7 along with the death certificate. This prevents any misuse during elections. For the passport, there's no provision for automatic surrender or cancellation. It simply becomes invalid upon expiry. However, you can file a written application with the regional passport office with the death certificate to surrender it. Lastly, the driving license. Regulations vary by state, so it's best to consult your local regional transport office for the cancellation process. Don't forget to transfer the vehicle ownership to the heir's name. A few general tips. There's no penalty for not surrendering documents, but informing the concerned authorities is a good practice to prevent misuse. Keep Aadhaar, passport and the death certificate together securely. If you're unsure about any steps, consulting legal experts or respective authorities is always a wise move. That's it for today. Make sure to follow these steps to manage the official documents effectively. Thanks for watching.